Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are reporting live from Walmart because we're about to get into some quick and easy Ibotta rebate deals. So I wanted to pull up to Walmart this weekend because there are a few rebates that I think are really hot that I wanted to get in on before they expire. And then of course, coming to Walmart, I had to check the clearance section. So let me show you what I found in clearance first. So the first thing I found in clearance was the Nature's Bounty Jelly Bean Vitamins. So these were on clearance for $7 each. I was hoping when I actually scanned them, they were going to be a little bit cheaper, but they were not. They're actually $7. So two of them are going to total me up to $14. But on Ibotta, we do have $10.99 back at Walmart, so I'll get back $11 for picking up two. That already brings them down to $3 for two. As far as coupons, I can submit over to ShopMeum or coupons.com for $1 back as well on each bottle. So I can do $1 on coupons, $1 on ShopMeum. That'll make my final cost just $1 for two bottles or 50 cents each. Grab is this Titus bone broth for dogs. So these are $7.97. But on aisle, we have a try it free rebate. So we will pick up one and then submit back to aisle for the full cost. Already gonna make this baby completely free. I'm actually gonna get this one because the box looks a little bit better. So this one will be completely free with this aisle rebate right here. But then we also have on Ibotta, we have $1.75 back as well. So this will be free plus $1.75 moneymaker after aisle and Ibotta. I'm also going to get this product that's right next to the Brutus, and that is this solid gold bone broth meal topper for dogs. So these are $4.47. So two of them are going to total me up to $8.94. But I am going to be submitting back to Ibotta for a $10 rebate on two, and this only has 23 hours left. That's gonna make these free plus a 106 money maker. I came over here looking for the Arm & Hammer baby detergent, but I didn't check online before I came, and this store actually does not carry it, so I won't be able to do that deal, but I do want to tell you guys what that deal is. So with the Arm & Hammer Baby, these are $9.48. So your total for two of them would be $18.96. You can submit back for $2 on the coupons app, ShopMeum, Alexa, all of those. And then you can also get back $9 from Swag Bucks. And then Fetch Rewards is now also offering $3 back on these. And we also have a total of $4.50 back on Checkout 51. Now with Checkout 51, it says a different ounce size, but I think that's actually an error on Checkout 51's part because I've seen on Facebook that the ounce size that's actually in store is what's working on Checkout 51. So I would definitely still try Checkout 51 to see if it's a match. I would try it myself, but I can't actually test it because they don't have it in store. But if you get that $4.50 back from Checkout 51, that'll make your final cost for two bottles just 46 cents or 23 cents each. Be on the lookout on your Persil at your Walmart because we do have brand new Peely coupons if you want to pick up some Persil. We also have Ibotta rebates, but they are not high enough value for me to do a deal with this. The next item I'm going to be grabbing is this Raid Light, and they only have one left, thank God. So I'm going to be grabbing this for $18.98. I'm going to submit over to Ibotta for $10 and submit over to coupons.com for $10. Going to make this free plus a 101 moneymaker. So I forgot to print my coupons from the Clorox website that I could have used on the bigger bottles of bleach. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab two of the smaller 43-ounce bottles. These are $3.98 each. I'm going to buy two, submit back to Swag Bucks for $5. That'll make my final cost like $1.50 per bottle. Next thing I'm going to grab is this Suavitel Complete for $3.97. Shopkick is going to give me back $3.04, making this just 93 cents. I'm also going to grab one of these warmers right here for $1.98. I will submit back to the coupons app for the full cost, making this a freebie. We're going to be grabbing is this Fabuloso. So this is $3.47. I'm going to submit over to Shopkick for a total of $2.24. I'm going to make the final cost for this baby just $1.23. The next thing I'm going to be grabbing is these Glad trash bags. So I'm going to get the 20 count max strength max strength force flex. So we're gonna buy two. That's gonna total me up to like a 11.82, and then I'm gonna submit back to Swag Bucks for $7. That's gonna bring it down to 4.82. And then I also have $1.77 back from Fetch Rewards because I should get 15% back. So that should make both boxes of these just $3 or like $1.50 each. So now let's talk about the Kotex because there's a couple different ways that you can do this deal. Either way, it's going to be $1.30 moneymaker. So you can grab the liners, the 40 count for $3.14. They have two different rebates that are attaching on Ibotta, giving back $3.50 back, already making it free plus a moneymaker. But then we can also submit to the coupons app for another dollar there. Or if you want to submit over to Shopkick instead, you can grab the pads. And what you can do is grab the pads. You can submit over to Ibotta for your $3.50. These are $4.19. So you'll get your $3.50 from Ibotta, the dollar from the coupons app, and another dollar from Shopkick. So these will also be free plus like that $1.30 moneymaker. And if you don't have Shopkick, as you can see, we're using it a lot today. When you sign up, use my code STAR. You'll get an additional $5 in free kicks after you redeem your first offer. We have an Olay bonus that you can get when you buy two participating Olay products. This facial cleanser right here for $5.47 is included. So I'm going to go ahead and get this. So with this, since I've already purchased one Olay product before, I've purchased some body wash before, I am going to get back $7, $5 for the bonus, and $2 for this rebate. It's going to make it free plus like $1.53 moneymaker. Now, if you haven't already did your bonus, you can buy one body product and this face product, and you should be able to get both of them for pretty close to free. The next thing I'm going to be grabbing is two of these Degree. These are $4.98 each, so two of them are going to total me up to $4.96. I'm going to be using two of the $1 printable coupons, so I'll pay $7.96 at the register. Then I'm going to submit over to Shopkick for $3.14 on each one. And I'm going to submit over to Fetch Rewards for $1.25 on each one. So that'll be a total back of $8.78 for these, making my final cost for these two free plus an 86-cent moneymaker. All right, y'all, so now let's talk about these body wash deals. We got two different sets of deals for the Irish Spring and the soft soap, but they are similar. So first deal up is on the Irish Spring. So I'm going to pick up two of these for $4.97. That's going to total me up to $9.94. I'm going to try to use two of these 75-cent printable coupons, but I'm not sure they're going to work because I've seen a lot of people say that the coupons are not working. So we'll see. But if they do work, I would pay $8.44. Then I would submit over to Swag Bucks for $2.50. Then I would submit over to Ibotta for $1.50 each, and I would submit over to Shopkick for 450 kicks on each one. So that'll be $3.60 back from Shopkick, making my total back for these two $9.10, making them free plus a 66-cent moneymaker. And then of course, if these coupons don't go through, then these will actually be a cost of about $1. And then similar deal for the soft soap, but a little bit different. So these are $4.47, and you want to watch which cents you pick up on these. But $4.47 times 2 is going to total me up to $8.94. I'll try to use two of those 75-cent printables. If so, that'll bring me down to $7.44. Then I'll get back $2 from Swag Bucks, $1.50 from Ibotta, and then I'll submit over to Shopkick for $2.96 for both of them, $3.70 each. That'll make my total back $7.96, making these free plus a 50-cent moneymaker. Or with no coupons, these will be a cost of $1 or 50 cents each. Hey guys, so this is going to be my complete haul for today. I'm going to go up and check out now. I'm going to do two separate transactions so I can double up on this moneymaker right here. And then we will see how everything works out, especially with these paper coupons that I'm going to use. So let's go up to the front and see how this goes. All right, y'all. So first off, those paper coupons, actually all of them said invalid when I scanned them at self-checkout. So I went over to self-checkout. The store that I was at does have the old system. If that means anything to you, then you know the difference between the new system and the old system at Walmart. But this was the old system. All of them, when I scanned them, said invalid. And what it was giving to me was not even an issue with the coupons, but just something going on with the Walmart system in general, where Walmart has changed something in the system where it's reacting that way to the printable coupons. Not sure, but I had time today and I was at my nice store. So I decided to call somebody over to help me. I asked for help with those coupons not going through. I figured since I had time, I might as well try my luck because that was like $5 in coupons and I can do something else with that $5. So I wanted to see if they could help with those coupons. So I did 2 transactions. The first transaction, I used no coupons. I paid out $24.97 plus tax. I got back everything I was supposed to get. I got back $13.75 from Ibotta. I got back $7 from Swag Bucks, $2.13 from Fetch, $1 from Shopkick, and $1 from coupons.com. Made that transaction cost 9 cents. We're gonna go ahead and call that super free. Second transaction where I had all of the beepage, I got really lucky because the cashier had called over the front end supervisor and the front end supervisor was about to clock out for the day. And she really, I could tell, was not in the mood to be dealing with me. So she was like, how are you paying? Are you paying with like cash or a card? When I told her card, she pulled me over to a register because she had already had her till pulled in her hand. So I could tell she didn't want to deal with cash because she didn't want to recount it. And she went on ahead and input the coupons in manually. And so I did save that $5 in coupons. So my total after that was $99.72. And then I did get back $49.34 from Ibotta. I got back $17.60 from Shopkick. I got back $14.09 from ShopMim, $7.97 from my owl rebate, $9.50 from Swag Bucks, $2.60 from Fetch, and $1 from coupons.com. Back for that transaction was $102.10, making that a $2.38 moneymaker. So yes, y'all, everything came out to be free plus the $2 moneymaker for this basket, which I think is pretty good because I didn't even hit my weekend warrior yet because my weekend warrior was like 15 offers and I only did like 10 or 11 with this basket. So I still have a few more. Hopefully I'll be able to do it at CVS tomorrow, depending on what we got going on there. But yes, y'all, this was a really good haul at Walmart. Thankfully, I got lucky with a good supervisor for those paper coupons. But if you don't want to be bothered, you can leave those off. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. If you have not already, I would love to have you here. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.